hello viewers, Casey here again for Budgie Bros Part 3. Today we have a very sad moment for Lucas has flown away. But I went to the pet store on Friday and I got myself a new Budgie. And I called it Chuck off of Dead Rising 2 off the record. And that is also delivering too. So, you can get a better view of Chuck here. There we go. They look twins. Hello, Chuck. Yeah, he's really stripy. And the man has already trained him to come on your finger, so he is amazing. Say hello, Chuck. Aww, say hello. You're a good Budgie. Yeah, and of course we've also got Bart, our main cast. Say hello again, Bart. Yeah, not feeling like it? Okay, well, thanks again for watching our Budgie Bros Part 3, and I'll make some more later. See you later.